friends, we're going to be doing a get ready with me style video today. Sort of. I mean, it's just makeup, you know what I mean? Basically, I put these earrings on. These are from Yes Style. Their colors just made me really want to do something that was kind of jewel tone. So I got a jewel toned kind of style palette going on right here. And I just wanna play. See where we go? Have fun. Stuff and things, you know? As always, gotta give a shout out to my Narwhal Nation. I love you guys so much. LeeshaLand.com. We've been putting up exclusive vlogs. We're getting ready to start a movie night together. It's just hanging out on Discord. It's been really cool. Been getting to know all of you so well. I'm so excited to be a part of this awesome community that is just so special and full of just amazing people that I get to talk to every day and learn more about, and yeah, hope you guys have been loving it too. If you want to join the Narwhal Nation, LeeshaLand.com, that's all you gotta do. Before we get into this video, I want to talk about the sponsor for this video, and that is Scentbird. I've recently got to know Scentbird, and it's something that I feel is going to completely change the game for me. Scentbird is a subscription service where you can pick a new fragrance every month for $14.99. There's a lot of reasons why I really like this. A lot of the times, if I buy a fragrance, one, it's $50 for one fragrance at least, and two, it never ever is finished. I don't think in the history of my life have I finished an entire bottle of a perfume. With Scentbird, it's a lot less expensive. They are actually fantastic if you're like me and you never finish a fragrance, or if you like to travel, because bringing a fragrance with you when you travel is risky business at the, to say the least. Most fragrances are in glass containers, right? And then when they're in glass, having that in a suitcase. Have you ever broken an entire bottle of perfume? Because I have, and that is not great. Not great at all. With Scentbird, they come in this really cute little velvet case. They're nice, compact. You just twist it, and that's how you can spray it. And then you can pull it out to see what fragrance you're using. Super sleek, super cute colors, awesome scents. I mean, how do you go wrong? The scents that I was sent to try out, the first one I have is by Toka, and it's called Maya. This one smells so nice. It's nice and fresh and just, oh, it smells good. I also have English Laundry by Notting Hill for Women. This is another one. It's a lot more vanilla-y. Definitely has more of a vanilla scent. I'm a world-class scent describer, if you couldn't tell. And then I also have Juliet Has a Gun by Not a Perfume. They all smell so good, and it's such a perfect amount of fragrance. Whether you travel regularly or you want to take a fragrance with you just in your purse, or you're like me and you can't make up your mind to save your life, so you just want variety. Scentbird was kind enough to give me a discount code for you guys for 30% off, so you can get your first fragrance for $10. This ends up being a 30-day supply. You can also upgrade to get 2 to 3 vials a month, which even more variety. The great thing too about this is that Scentbird has over 600 different brands and perfumes to choose from. So basically, you cannot go wrong. There's gonna be something amazing for everybody out there. All right, so let's get into this look. Basically, I have this palette that I got from Visart a long time ago, and I've complained about it before. Basically, I don't know. I paid way too much money for it, so I'm biased against it, I think is where we're at. So I wanted to talk to you guys about something that I tried on Saturday and had so much fun with, and that is doing makeup roulette, which I've done on here before. It's essentially taking a palette, putting all of the names of the eyeshadows on there, and then spinning the wheel and having to apply the eyeshadows in the order that they get chosen from the wheel. I wanted to try doing this live because, as I've mentioned a couple of times on here, Paul and I have started doing live shows 3 times a week on Twitch. And it's been really, oh my gosh, it's been so much fun. It's a lot of just silliness. It's a lot of goofy inside jokes. It's a lot of the Titanic theme song playing. And it's just been a lot of fun and a lot of really cool way to hang out with you guys, basically. We go live on Sundays and Wednesdays, and then we're doing Fridays, but I'm thinking if we kind of want to change it because we understand that people, have lives and go out and do stuff on Fridays, so we don't want to make it, it seems like a lot of people can't make it on Fridays, but we'll see. Anyways, something that we ended up trying, or I ended up trying, was to do a makeup themed live stream. And so what I did on Saturday was I went live and I was using the Alyssa Edwards Anastasia palette, this one. I've had it for a couple of weeks. I've had it since it came out, and I have not touched it because I keep meaning to do a video with it. So I had to do my makeup live, no premeditated thoughts, no premeditated ideas, because I had no idea what way this was gonna go. You know, I had no idea what order the colors were going to be or anything like that. And so we kind of just did like a trial run, sort of see how everything went on Saturday. And oh my gosh, it was such a freaking blast. I think there was a lot of you guys who have not been to my streams before, which made it really fun. It was during the day. Most of the times when we do our live streams, it is at nighttime, which can be a little bit frustrating, especially because we're Pacific time zone right now. Fun fact, if you didn't know, Arizona does not do daylight savings time, so our time never changes, which makes it kind of confusing when everyone else's time changes, because we're either the same time as Pacific or we're an hour ahead of Pacific. It depends on where Pacific's at, but we never change our clocks, which is great. I actually, when I lived in Texas, it was like surreal. It was weird having to remember, oh yeah, this is something that people do. This is a normal thing that people do, where they have to change their clocks and they have to change the time twice a year, and it's annoying. I definitely prefer the not having to do that. Anyways, though, it was really fun because the stream was during the day, so a lot of people overseas were able to make it. That normally when we stream, it would be like 2 or 4 in the morning for them. So it was nice that we got to have some European followers and stuff like that be able to watch. But the stream itself, it was so fun. It was really cool having everybody there. The thing that was hilarious was that the first color that I spun on my little wheel was black. Just straight matte black. The first color for my look. Matte black. It ended up, though, the look ended up looking really, really nice. I was very happy, because the thing with makeup roulette is that shit can go south. There's been a lot of times where I've filmed a makeup roulette style video and it ended up not looking great, had to restart it or change stuff up. And when you're doing, you know, a live video where you can't really edit, it's very different from what I've been doing for such a long time, which, you know, adds another layer of a challenge to it. Definitely not in a bad way. So we will be doing that again this Saturday. If you guys are interested, it'll be noon Pacific. So whatever time zone that is for you. I definitely recommend going over there sooner than later, clicking the follow button so that you will get an update so that you won't miss it. I promise it's so much fun. And I know I'm probably like, I've been talking about Twitch a lot lately, but I've been just having so much fun getting that community aspect back, because as much as I love YouTube, you definitely lose that community feeling. I post my video, you guys watch, you might comment, and it is a delayed response, right? Same thing with Instagram. Post a picture, people comment. Here is something that I am offering to the world, and you respond to something I'm offering to the world. With Twitch, it's a lot more real time, and it's a lot more back and forth. The same with our Discord. It's a lot more real time, back and forth, real communication. It's not me talking at you and you responding to me talking at you. It's actually talking with you and in real time. And that's just been something that I didn't realize how much I missed, being able to have a conversation with people, if that makes sense. Having a conversation about makeup instead of it just being me talking to myself in my room, uploading it and reading what people are saying about me. Really didn't realize how much I missed the actual back and forth aspect, which has just been so awesome. So freaking awesome and so needed. And it's been really cool because I can tell a lot of people really look forward to coming to the Twitch streams, and they schedule it out, which is crazy to me. It also makes me realize how much I suck with YouTube, because I've never been consistent with YouTube, but we've been very consistent with Twitch, always going up Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. Ooh, there is some glitter fallout happening right now. And now Saturdays, and it's just really super cool to see people know when to show up. People will show up before we even go live. So if you haven't been, I definitely recommend coming over, checking it out. It's a blast, I promise. It's super, super fun. So the other thing that's going on is Violet's birthday is on Friday. She's turning 5. how is all I have to say. I am blown away the fact that my child is turning 5, because that is beyond nuts. I think with this look, I'm not really trying to, I don't want definition. We're just having like a really opalescent, but not opalescent, just blendy. We're blending today. She's turning 5. I can't believe it. We're gonna have a little unicorn party. Nothing really big, just family and everything, and nice. Real nice. She wanted a slip and slide for her birthday, but I cannot find one that doesn't have crappy reviews. And maybe it just always had crappy reviews, but I remember it before the internet. That could definitely be part of it, but everything that I've looked at is all crappy reviews. So the one thing that I did get her, instead of getting her a slip and slide, I found on Amazon, because she's super into unicorns, like beyond. So for her birthday, I got her a unicorn bed set, because she's still, her bed set's still Trolls, which Trolls is so 2 years ago. She was into Trolls when she was like 3. So new bed set. And then I found on Amazon this, it's like a blow up unicorn thing for the pool, but it's not really for the pool, but the horn ends up being like a fountain, like a sprinkler. So I think she's gonna really be really excited about that. Then I got all of the unicorn decorations, one of those horn and ear things to make a cake. Maybe I'll put the cake as a Patreon, making the cake as a Patreon exclusive thing. I don't know. That could be fun. It's less than a month until she starts school, which blows my brain apart. I can't believe she's starting kindergarten. But at the same time, I'm actually really excited that she's starting kindergarten. She's been out of school for about a month now, a little over a month. I think that she just does, maybe it's me, maybe I'm the one who does better when she's in school. It's hard. I don't know, like people who have multiple kids, I commend you, because I definitely feel like I'm struggling a lot of the times with just Violet and keeping her busy. I can't imagine. But as my mom says, when you have more than one, they kind of play with themselves, and they play amongst each other instead of you being the play friend. So I guess that also makes sense. This look is not, okay, so now I'm getting even more irritated. Ugh, this freaking palette that I was telling you about. This palette's the one that I paid so much money for, and it's supposed to have all these amazing new formulas and supposed to be like mind-blowing, and this look is not great. It's pretty not great. Ugh, it makes me so mad. Yeah, I need like reinforcements or something, because this look did not do what I really needed it to do. But anyways, yeah, I'm excited for Vi to start school. I'm definitely nervous though. She's gonna be starting kindergarten, and she's going from her preschool that was 3 hours a day, 3 days a week, into something that is 5 days a week for 8 hours. So we have that. We have the fact that, her school starts earlier, and we are not a morning family. I mean, she is, I'm not. So it's gonna be like an adjustment period for the entire family, which will be something to say the least. Starting like next week or the week after next, we're gonna start getting ready in the mornings and starting to wake up. Oh my God, it's so hot. Starting to wake up early and that kind of thing, so that we can all have our act together once school actually starts, because that's gonna be a serious test of everything. And if we do not, at least attempt to get our act together before school starts, it's going to be a rude awakening. And that's the other thing, is that with her preschool, it started at 8:30 and you had to sign them in and everything. But if you were late, like nothing happened. If you were a couple minutes late or like whatever, it was fine. That's not how it is with elementary school. And I refuse to be, have Vi be late because of me. That's not fair. So I got to get my act together. All right, you know what? I'm going in with my reinforcements. I tried. I'm going with this. I'm not loving this at all. It's funny because like some people have false lashes that they use, and that's what their savior is, right? Like they'll use false lashes and they could have like the most boring look ever, and false lashes will put it to the next degree. False lashes will completely change the whole look so that it feels like it's something completely amazing and something completely like, over the top better than what it was originally. I have Stila Glitter and Glow. Anything looks like complete and utter crap, all I have to do is pop some of this bad boy on and the whole look is transformed. This is such cheating, I don't care. This is like, what was the point of this whole video if this is what we were gonna do? But you know what? I just want to show, like, these are my literal favorite things ever. They never let me down. They're always here for me when things are bad. They always can fix a really lame look, completely transform it into something that's not lame. I've got an addiction. See, look, that's so much better. It's like frustrating how much better that is. Ugh. Quick liner, mascara. All right. Weirdly enough, I don't hate it. I'm gonna do a little bit of some jewel tone opalescent highlighter. Some green. La la. We'll do a pink lip. Oh, very glossy. Very glossy. A lot glossier and less color than I was expecting. I wanted a little bit of color. There we go. All right, so there's my kind of messy opalescent. Maybe that's what I should call this video. Thank you again to Scentbird for sponsoring this video. Make sure you check them out. Discount code below. Thanks so much for watching and all your support. Check out LeeshaLand.com and our Twitch stream on Saturday. I hope I see you there. And I'll talk to you next time.